Hi, this is Tyler Moore here, and in this video we're going to be learning all about themes. So WordPress themes, what they are, how they work, how to install them, where to get them, theme documentation, super exciting stuff. Let's get to it. So as you can see here on this dummy website, this is not my real website by the way, my real website is tyler-moore.com. But on this website, once you install WordPress, you're going to see this default theme. Now, what is a theme? A theme is the design of your website, but it's actually more than that. It's also the functionality of your website. And so I know that sounds like might be a little confusing, but for example, on this theme, it functions in a certain way where if you click this, the search comes up. So that's pretty cool. That's the way your website functions, but it's also this design right here, and where this menu right here is positioned, and how you have laid out text right here, and this bottom, what it looks like right here. So it's the design of the website and also how the website functions. So for example, you can buy themes with shopping carts built in them or contact forms built in them. So it's design plus a little bit of function. So it becomes much clearer if we can see an example of it. So let's go to our website and let's actually log in. So what we're going to do here is we're going to edit a little bit. We're going to learn about our theme options. So I'm just going to log in here. And what we can do over here is we can click Appearance. And let me just open up another window so you can see the things changing. All right, so we go to Appearance and then Header. Now, not all themes have this option. This is unique to this theme. So this is unique to the 2013 theme. So what we can do here is we see that the theme looks like this, and we can actually click on this and this pattern right here and press Save Changes, and we can refresh, and we see that the theme has actually changed. So these are different theme options, and it has a few more theme options like removing the header altogether, which is up here. You can remove this, or changing the colors, or choosing an image. So there's a few different theme options, but like I said before, every theme is different. For example, if we click this customize right here, other themes don't have this customize option. So this is unique to this theme. So let's click on customize. And what we can do here for this theme is just click this and change the different colors here. So each theme has different theme options. That's one of the first things that I want you to get in your mind. Each theme has different theme options. So we can actually save and publish it up here. And if we refresh this, it will change its color to blue. So that's pretty cool. But what I want to do is I want to install another theme so that you can see that each theme is definitely unique. So let's go to Install Themes, and let's actually click on Featured. So the featured themes. All right, and there's some cool different featured themes here. Let's go to a good one of my favorites, the responsive theme. So let's just click Install Now. So that's how you install a theme. You just click on Themes, Install Themes, and then you can search for whatever you want. But I click on Feature and then just Install Now. So installing themes is pretty simple. All right, so once you click Install Now, then you click Activate. All right, so now this theme is activated. Now let's go to our website and click Refresh. And we see that the theme is completely different. We still have the same content, but the front page is definitely changed. So every theme is different. Now let's go and check out this theme's options. So we can go over here and we see if we click appearance, then we can go to theme options. See how that's different than the last one where we went to appearance and then we went to header or appearance and we went to customize? So this is under appearance and theme options. That's where this theme can be controlled. So we can do everything from breadcrumbs, which means if you look up here and you click on sample page, it'll go home sample page. That's just this thing up here. Or we could do the default layouts. So maybe we don't want we want there to be no sidebar. So if we click on that and we click save options, then we go back to our sample page and we refresh, we'll see that there's no sidebar now. And now let's go back to our theme options and let's go and edit the home page a little bit by clicking on this home page. And we can check off this so it overrides the WordPress front home page. And we can put in a headline, hello, Mr. Tyler. And subheadline, amazing website, and some content. We'll just put in there and we can call to action URL. So this is where your button would go, and this one can say click me, and we can put an image in right here if we want to. So obviously you would need to learn how this theme works, and a good way to learn it is to see the theme documentation. So a lot of free themes don't have theme documentation, and you need to just, figure it out yourself, which is kind of hard. But this theme is free, and it does have theme documentation if you click right here. So that's pretty cool. We could also just click Save Options, and now we can go back and look at the home page and see that it says, hello, Mr. Tyler, what I put in there, amazing website, click me. And yeah, that's pretty cool. So a lot of times themes also have widgets, they're called. And a lot of people will say, well, how do I edit these widgets right here? I can't access that in the theme options. It doesn't show anywhere. And that's one of the weird things about themes, is that you're just somehow supposed to know that you go to widgets here. And it says home widget 1, 2, and 3. And that corresponds with home widget 1, 2, and 3. So like I said, every theme is different, but that's a very common thing for themes to have. So it's very common for themes to have widgets that are controlled right here. And you probably already know how widgets work from my other videos, but if we just click on this, drag in some text, put hello, and put hi there. Obviously, you'd put in maybe more text than that. And click save. Then we can see that that did change this widget. So a lot of times themes have these widgets where you can change. So all of these themes if we go to our dashboard, then we go to themes, and you click install themes. All of these themes right here are free, so they don't cost any money. There are other themes that do cost money, and I'm going to cover that later. Let's see how to install a theme from a different website. So this is going to be a free theme that we're going to install from a different website. How do you actually get it into WordPress? So we've installed a free theme right from WordPress, but how do you install one from a different website? So I'm going to show you that right now. So we can go to WPExplorer.com. That's WPExplorer.com, WP Explorer. And these people, they offer free themes. They also offer paid themes, but we're going to install a free one. And installing a free theme and a paid theme are pretty much the same. So we click on themes right here, and I'm going to go to the category of free, and I'm going to click on adapt. So I'm going to click on adapt, and I'm going to log into download because I didn't do that yet. So I'm already a member. All right. Go back to free themes, click on adapt again, and I'm going to download. So this is going to download to my computer, and it doesn't matter if you have Mac or PC because we're going to be uploading it to the website anyways. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download it to the desktop, and as you can see right here, it's just chilling on the desktop in its zip file. And we go back to install themes, and we click appearance and then themes, and then click install themes, and click upload. All right, so this is how we get another theme from a different website. First, we download it from their website, like we did, and now we're going to upload it to our website. So we're going to choose file. We're going to choose it. It's on our desktop, just chilling there. Then we're going to click open, and we're going to install now. So it's pretty simple. Sometimes it takes a little while to install a theme if it's really big. And then we're going to click activate. And now we can go ahead and look at our website. And we see that this theme is completely different. So that's pretty cool. But this right here doesn't look anything like this. So obviously there's a few options that need to be changed. And one of the first options that need to be changed is the homepage settings, because this homepage is just the regular blog page that WordPress starts out at, but it really needs to be set as this really cool looking homepage. So that's the next thing that we're gonna need to learn is how do you set the front page as this sort of design instead of this design. So what we do, it's a two-step process actually. The first step is we have to make a new page by going to pages and add new. And we're going to call this page home. And we're going to say, we can leave this blank right here. And it's going to ask you right here under template. And we're going to click on it and we're going to say this is the home page. So this is the homepage template. This template is just basically the design of the homepage. This looks sort of like this instead of the regular one where it looks like this. All right, so once we do that, we click publish. All right, and now we can go back to our website and we don't see anything here. Well, that's because we need to set our home page as the actual home page. I know that sounds really weird, but what we can do over here is we can click settings and then click reading. And instead of your latest post, so instead of your latest blog post right here, which it's showing, you want to make this click a static page and then choose your home page. So choose home and then click save changes. Now once we do that, we're actually going to click refresh and it's going to change into this design right here, but it doesn't have any pictures or anything. So as you can see, this theme is different from the last one, which was different from the one before. So it's pretty, you need to, a lot of themes, they have a commonality to them, but you need to just learn a few different ones. And obviously I've chosen ones that are all different so that you get an idea of, you know, all their options. But once you do this a few times, and it'll be really easy. So let's try to get a picture in here actually. All right, so adding a picture. So how we do that? I would guess and that's the way you do it. You either read the documentation or if they don't have documentation, you simply start messing with things and guessing. But I would guess you click on slides because it seems like a slider. That's what these things are called, sliders. All right, so slides, and then I'm going to click add new item, and I'm going to enter hello. All right, and I'm not going to put anything here, and I'm going to set featured image right here. So we can look at these options down here. Maybe it's that, but I'm going to set featured image. I'm going to select files, and I'm actually going to choose an image here. This one seems pretty cool, from New York and Central Park. And we're going to wait until this is uploaded. And this image may be way too big, but I'm just giving you an example. So once that's done, we're going to set featured image, and we're going to click publish. All right, so once we do that, let's go back to our theme and let's click refresh. And we will see our image in there. So that's pretty cool. And obviously you just mess with some more theme options and it's gonna look like this. So, and these boxes right here, I would guess that they are under highlights because they seem like highlights. And again, every theme is going to be different, so you need to do a little investigation, or the better thing would be to read the theme documentation if it exists. So go to highlights and click add new, and hello again, and this is a hello message. All right, and publish, and we can set the featured image here too probably. So I'm going to click refresh. And we can see that here is the box again, the highlight. So you can see that it would come along and you could make a website, but those are for my other videos. You can look at that in my other videos. All right, so we've installed a free theme from a different website. We've see how they work, what they are. Let's do another thing where we make this page right here just a regular page. What if you don't want your home page to be any fancy thing with big images or whatever? You just want it to be a regular page. So let's see how to do that. It's pretty easy. We go to pages and add new. And we type in, this is just a regular page. All right. And if you know how to edit pages, obviously you can put in images or quotes or whatever you want. We're going to keep the default as template as normal, and we're going to click publish. So how do we get this page to be our home page? See, as you can see, the page doesn't show up at all. So what we can do again is we can go to settings and reading, and we can click a static page and just set the front page as this is just a regular page. So that's how you set any page as your front page. So we can visit the site and we can see that this is just a regular page. Now a lot of themes have many different places where you can put the menu, and that makes the menu not show up unless you create a menu. So you may be just install your new theme and it looks like it completely wiped out your website, but really it's just hiding the menu. So how do we get that back? And we can do that by going to the dashboard and clicking on appearance, then menus. So we need to make a new menu, and they already made one for us, so that's good. So it's menu 1, and we just press create menu. All right, so once we do that, we can click on Manage Locations and select the main menu as the menu you just created and click Save Changes. So now when we refresh, hopefully, we'll see the new menu up here. All right, so that may be something that was frustrating you guys, but now you know how to do it. All right, so the next thing that I want to do is I want to download a theme where you actually have to buy it. So let's go and do that and install it, and I'll show you some of those theme options. So we're going to go to themeforest.net. That's one of my favorite places to get premium themes. And we're just going to go ahead and look for, let's say, the, well, let's see what I've bought before so I don't buy one again. Let's do the Verb WordPress theme. So we're just going to type in Verb, and it's going to show us this WordPress theme. And what we have to do is make sure that it's under WordPress, because we don't want to buy a theme for a different content management system. We don't want to buy a theme for Tumblr. We want a WordPress theme. All right, so once you do that, you can actually go and check out the theme, see what it looks like, give a live preview of it. So this is what the theme could be. So let's see what it looks like. So that's pretty different and pretty cool. And what we can do here is just purchase it. But since I've already purchased it, what I can do is just go ahead and download it. So I'm going to go to my downloads, and I'm going to download it, and I'm going to download all files and documentation. All right, so I've downloaded it, and I'm going to show you what a lot of people do as a mistake. So here it's just downloaded on my desktop. Again, it works on Mac and PC, works on everything. So I'm going to go back to my theme, and I'm going to go to Appearance and Themes and click Install Themes and click Upload and choose File. So I know it's on my desktop, and I'm going to click on this theme here, and I'm going to open it, and I'm going to install it, and I'm probably going to get an error, and I'll show you why. So I installed it, and it says unpacking, and then it says this package could not be installed. It's missing the style.css style sheet. Theme installation failed. And now you've bought a theme and you're freaking out because it cost you $45 and these people gypped you, but really we just installed it wrong. So what we need to do is go here to your file and actually double click on it, and it's going to make this other folder here, and we're going to open it up, and we're going to see that this theme, since you paid for it, comes with theme documentation. So we can actually click on this and click on this indexed HTML, and it shows us how to do everything that we need to do for the theme. Excuse me. So that's why it didn't work, is because that file had more than just the theme in it. It had the theme documentation in it also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually upload this file where it says upload to WP. So let's upload that file instead. So what we needed to do is we needed to double click on this to unzip it, and then we upload this zip file inside of the folder. All right. So that's what a lot of people have issues with, but you won't, because you know. All right. So it failed. So all we need to do is press the back button and choose file again. And this time we're going to click on this one and then click open and install now. All right, so now it's successfully uploaded, and now we click activate. And now we can go to our website and we can go ahead and check our website out. And we've seen that it has changed. So, but our page again is set to, this is just a regular page. And we don't want it to be set as that. So we're actually going to go to settings and we're going to go to reading. And we're going to set it to your latest post because that's usually what you should set it to. And then click Save Changes. And now we can go ahead and check out our theme and click Refresh. And we can see that it's set to our latest post. And that's exactly what this theme is built for. So some themes are built for showing really cool front pages and everything. And some themes are built for making blog posts like this one. And some themes are built for creating shopping carts or a job posting board, or maybe a restaurant finder. So there's all these different themes for different things. So that's what you need to think about when choosing a theme is, what am I going to use this website for? So it's not only the design of the theme that you have to like, it's also how the theme functions. So we can go to different websites like woothemes.com and click on their themes, and these are some of them are free and some of them cost money. And we can see that if we click on WooCommerce, some of these themes sell products. So these themes would be used for selling products. So if you sell products and that's the main reason for your website, then you would definitely want a theme that sold products. If you're mainly blogging, then you would definitely want a theme that was mainly for that. Or if you're like a small business, then maybe you'd want that featured page there. So it really all depends on what you want. For example, if you want a shopping cart, then it may be best to go to get a shopping cart theme. So we can go to woothemes.com and click on themes, and we can find a theme that has shopping carts. So let's search for this. We can find a theme with different products and different things like that. So really you need to think about what you intend to use your WordPress website for. Is it mainly for blogging? Is it mainly for selling a product? Is it mainly for showing off your small business? Then you need to get a theme that will show off your small business and have more featured images maybe than you would if you were getting a theme for shopping. Maybe for shopping you want to show off your products, and for blogging you want to show off your blog posts. So it really all depends on what you need. We can go to my website, tyler-moore.com. And this theme is actually from the WooCommerce theme, and it's called the function theme. So I think it's pretty cool. If we log in here to our themes, and we go to pages, and we maybe go to the About page, we'll see that the About page is laid out like this. And let me just show you what that looks like. And with the content here and the sidebar right here, this is called a sidebar. What we can do is we can edit the template, and we can do a full width template. Now, not all themes have these options, so you definitely want to choose a theme that has a lot of template options. So that should be something that you consider. Do you need a full width option? So now we can go ahead and refresh this, and it looks different. There is no sidebar. So that's different template options, and there's a whole bunch. Maybe there's a contact form, there's a blog template, there's a timeline or portfolio or an image gallery. So there's different options here that you can use for your page template. So I like default template for this one, so I'm just going to update it. So that is another thing to consider about your theme. So pretty much in summary, for your theme is every theme is different, and if the theme that you're using doesn't have theme documentation, then you're going to need to play around with things and figure out how it works. Some themes don't have a nice front page, other themes do. Some themes come with built-in shopping carts, other themes don't. Some themes have a lot of different theme options, and some of them don't. This function theme here, if we click on function, then theme options, that's different than most other themes. And we can see all the different theme options it has. So just remember, each theme is different, and you need to pick one that suits your needs, and you need to go around and look for the one that is right for you. So thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate you watching this video. Please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe, and go to tyler-moore.com for more video lessons. They're all organized in a much better way now. So thanks a lot. I really appreciate it, and I'll talk to you soon.